Welcome to a splash of color in my backyard in South Florida. Meet the male painted bunting, one of nature's most vibrant gems. Did you know the male painted bunting is called a living rainbow because of its dazzling blue, red, and green feathers? Talk about eye-catching. These stunning birds migrate from the southern U.S. to Central America and the Caribbean for winter. The males are bright and flashy, adding a burst of color to any garden. They love backyard spaces with brushy vegetation and bird feeders, often catching insects midair. Sadly, their numbers are declining due to habitat loss and capture for the pet trade. It's extra special to see them thriving here. Enjoy the beauty of the painted bunting, a true marvel of nature. And don't forget to subscribe for more captivating videos showcasing the breathtaking nature of South Florida.